From reducing stress and anxiety to enhancing sleep, aiding digestion, and boosting cognitive function, Lemon Balm is a game changer for health. Stress and anxiety relief. Lemon Balm is known for its calming properties. Studies show that it helps reduce stress, anxiety, and even mild insomnia. Drinking lemon balm tea or taking a supplement can soothe the nervous system and promote relaxation. Supports cognitive function. Lemon balm has been found to improve cognitive function, memory, and concentration. Research suggests that it may even help in conditions like Alzheimer's by protecting brain cells from oxidative stress. Aids digestion. Struggling with digestive discomfort, lemon balm may be your new best friend. It helps soothe bloating, indigestion, and nausea by relaxing the digestive tract. Supports heart health. Lemon balm also benefits heart health. It helps reduce blood pressure and supports healthy cholesterol levels, promoting better circulation and cardiovascular function. Immunity boosting. Reduces inflammation. Chronic inflammation weakens the immune system. Lemon balm reduces inflammation. Rich in antioxidants. Protects cells from oxidative stress, which can suppress immune function. Lowers stress. Since chronic stress weakens immunity, lemon balm's calming effects help keep the body resilient. Antibacterial benefits. Kills harmful bacteria and fights infections that can weaken immunity. Antiviral properties. Fights viruses. Contains rosmarinic acid, eugenol, and flavonoids which help combat viral infections. Effective against cold sores, HSV-1. Studies show lemon balm can reduce symptoms and speed up healing of herpes simplex virus outbreaks. Supports respiratory health. Helps with colds, flu, and other viral infections by soothing symptoms and strengthening the immune system. Boosts metabolism and fat burning. Lemon balm may help boost metabolism as its compounds support thyroid function, which plays a key role in regulating metabolism and fat-burning processes. A healthy thyroid means a healthier weight. How to use lemon balm. Add lemon balm to your daily routine as a tea, supplement, or cooking ingredient and see the difference it makes.